I'm Stan Farnsworth, Director of Business Development here at NextFlex. We're very excited about Innovation Day this year. There are a few things to keep in mind while you're planning your attendance or being here at Innovation Day. We're glad to be here in partnership and co-location with TechBlick and their Electronics Reshaped event. This is a really exciting collaboration of bringing in mutual members and participants that are all contributing as part of our industrial ecosystem here in the US. Some things to keep in mind also while you're at Innovation Day, be sure to talk to your other attendees. I know that might seem obvious, but sometimes we get into our own silos and lost in thought. Take a minute and talk to the people next to you. Find out what they're doing. They're probably going to be interested in what you're doing. This is a chance to share notes, compare experiences, and find out how what you're doing compares and relates to the people around you. This is how we build a stronger ecosystem. Something else to be sure to do while you're here at Innovation Day and at Electronics Reshaped. Be sure to attend the keynotes. These are carefully curated and invited speakers that have interesting things to say, and I think they will be helpful for you as you look at what you're going to do with your organization and maybe personally as well. Be sure to attend the sessions that we have lined out. They're important opportunities to get updates from all of the presenters, the universities, the companies that are presenting related to specific products and capabilities and materials, deposition, all of the technical elements that make what we do possible. Finally, and maybe the most important thing, be sure to talk to us as well. Any of the NextFlex staff that are attending, there are some things that you need to be aware of that might help you. One is that we do have different kinds of funding opportunities across the desk. I know that we're famous for project calls, but there are also other things that are happening. For example, the BOTA funding call is in effect right now. That's broad other transaction announcement. Talk to us what that is. This is non-dilutive funding. Yes, non-dilutive funding. We're here to work with you to get projects submitted in alignment with Department of War interests and objectives. We'd love to be able to partner with you and help your organization to be able to be successful. Something else to know about what's happening at NextFlex, we continue to have opportunities for private and custom workshops and training sessions. If you and your team or your colleagues would like a deeper, in-depth understanding of specific tool capabilities, perhaps how hybrid, printed, flexible, additive electronics can positively impact your project and solve problems and technical engineering problems for you, talk to us. We can set up 1 day, 2 day, 3 day workshops at our facility, hands-on the equipment that we have at our tech hub. And this will be a tremendous accelerator for your technical team, for your design team, and help you get to revenues that much more quickly. Something else that we do is, of course, our membership. We have to highlight our membership. Please consider, if you're not a member, then please consider joining. There are some advantages to being a member. One is that you get continuous coverage and exposure, not just at a 1 day or a 3 day collective event like this, but collectively throughout the year, webinars, meetups, opportunities to network, and most importantly, opportunities to meet and network, and not least of which is access on our website portal, the tremendous collection and compendium of publications, project call results. A lot of technical data is collected in the portal on our website. As a member, you have access to this. Your technical team can see this, your business team can see this. Maybe this can address specific technical challenges or questions you have, or maybe it can help you decide on a technical approach to help you accelerate getting to revenue for your product or business. Of course, be sure to connect with our teams as well. We're glad to answer any questions. By us being aware of what you're working on, we can connect the dots with other areas that we're aware of where maybe you can provide assistance to another group that we meet, or perhaps another group that we have in our mind can be assisted by what you have to offer. So there's a lot of interacting opportunities here at Innovation Day, a lot of interacting opportunities here at Electronics Reshaped. And I'm Stan Farnsworth, and we're looking forward to seeing you.